There you have it, guys. Full DIY on how to do this. What's up, guys? DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Today's episode, we are going to be continuing on with the home improvements. We did the shutters in a previous episode, and now we're going to be replacing the storm door from that ugly maroon color that we had, and we're going to be replacing it with a nice white one. So I've never done this before, so I'm going to learn alongside you guys right now, show you guys the step-by-step process of how to do it, and hopefully you guys will learn alongside me and try to do this something like this yourself. Save yourself some money, try to DIY it. Hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just hop into it yourself. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, like. Thank you guys for being here. Let's hop into this. What's up, guys? DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Today's episode, we're going to be replacing the storm door on our house. As part of our complete exterior renovation, we did the shutters in the previous episode. We're going to replace the storm door. It's going to be super simple, and we'll show you guys how to do it. So, the storm door is held in by a bunch of screws under this padding here, or molding trim. You have screws here, so you have a bunch going up the door jamb. And then also, you have more in here as well, so you guys can see that. So we're going to remove all those screws. We're going to remove the piston from the bottom and the top, and we'll get this door off. So anytime you're doing any kind of work, you want to make sure that you have a helper. Make sure you got someone as cute as this to help you out. Make the job a lot easier. So we got the door completely off, a couple screws, couple hinges all around the door frame, and now we're ready to put the new one in. So we went with the Anderson 3000 series storm door with the interchangeable screen that slides up and down. So I'll show you guys that when we get it installed. But right now, let's get this thing going. So step one, get yourself a real helper while she holds it up while you explain a YouTube video. So you want to make sure that it is completely set and in here. So you're going to put it in like a diagonal, like we just did, and we're going to hold it up here. Then we're going to check the screws, make sure that everything fits. So this door seems pretty good right now. So we're going to have to get a drill bit and the screws, and we're going to drill everything in. With the door properly seated, you want to drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit. So you pre-drill the holes here and here, and you put the screws in. That way it'll stay in place, and your wife doesn't have to hold it anymore. And then you're going to drill the rest of the holes and fasten it with the rest of the screws. So we'll throw some time lapse, get this done. There's two clips in here. You're going to take a screwdriver, push right in, it pushes it through, and you're going to grasp firmly here and just pull the door open. So now you got your door open, we're on to the next step. So now we're on the inside of the door, and you guys see these little holes right here. This is where we're going to have to drill the rest of these in. So there's 8 of these. So we're going to drill those in now. So after you have all the screws in on this side, you're going to grab this, push these 2 little buttons in, and grab this, pull out, and we got these 2 little plugs that we're going to put in here. Next, we have to install the screws in the top of the door frame as well. So we're going to drill those in, and we will put the screws in as well. Then we're going to remove that clip in the top left corner of your screen, and also these clips here. And when we do that, we're going to be removing the screw just a little bit, and that way it'll come right out. Next thing we're going to do is get this door handle on. So we know that this is going to go in like this, and then we're going to turn it, and it's going to seat like that and turn. Next thing we have to do is install this rain shield. So we're going to put this up here, drill in our holes. I'm just going to guide it in and you'll hear it click. Next thing we have is this cap right here. This is going to be for this. Alright, so we got our locking thingy on. That's Rocky. He's cute. He's a puppy. Now we got this thing. Just want to point out a couple things here, guys. I had to do this inside off camera, but you want to take this piece, line it up to the bottom of here, and that is going to be your level mark. Then there are 3 screw holes here. So you want to take your 2 screws on the inside, screw those 2 in, then this piece you're going to screw in with the last hole here. So now you have 3 pieces here holding it in, and then you have this holding it together as well. And then you're going to adjust your speed with this screw right here, depending on if you need to or not. We happen to not need to. So we got it open with the push of that. You open it up a little bit and then it closes. Got a nice speed and it looks good. And it closes. There's your storm door. Vanna, will you open it up and close it? Winter time, or when you don't want to breeze, you got the glass. And then when you want to breeze in here, you open it up, you got a nice screen, you get the breeze in. So last thing we have to do is put these little caps on the side. There you have it, guys. Full DIY on how to do this. It was super simple. Took a little bit of learning, but we were able to do it. And storm door was about $300. Door handle was about $60. Had a $10 off coupon. All said and done, we like it. That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. We got the shutters done in the previous episode. We got the storm door done today. Looks really nice. I think it really makes the house look a lot better than it did. So let me know what you guys think. Have you done storm door yourself? Was it as easy? Was it as hard? Let me know how it worked out for you guys. Drop a comment down below. Ring that bell for post notifications. Subscribe. Thank you guys for being here. Smash that like button. Follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. Hope you guys will be inspired by this. Just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Change your door. Try to become a DIY Salvage Guy yourself.